We're specialists in injection molding, and that's been true for about 30 years. The truth of the matter is that we've molded almost every type of thermoplastic you can imagine. Everything from the commodity plastics, polyethylene and polypropylene, all the way up to the most expensive glass and graphite filled PEEK that you can imagine. The most exotic material we ever run was $85 a pound. It was crazy stuff. It had twice the tensile strength of aluminum. We were in business 10 years molding all sorts of complex medical components before we ever molded our first commodity part in polyethylene polypropylene. Ash Industries has cut its teeth on the difficult to do projects, the projects that are critical for medical or electronic or Department of Defense development, and it's a lot of fun. It's kind of cool to make a part that other people aren't even willing to touch, or make a part out of a plastic that is $5,000 a bag for a critical application that's going to make a difference in a new type of machine for the Department of Defense. We like this stuff, and we have the engineers here to support it. You see, complex thermoplastic can be a bear. If you don't have the proper equipment, if you don't have the proper mold and tooling set up, and if you don't have the personnel to back it up, it can be a nightmare. But when you know what you're doing, when you have the history, when you have the experience, and we have the know-how and the intelligence to know how to apply a thermoplastic to a particular job, it goes really well. Customers are really happy, and we get fantastic results for complex applications. With over 19 machines from 25 tons all the way up to 850 tons, and plastic from the basic commodity resins all the way up to the high-end engineering thermoplastics, this is injection molding. Hi, I'm Hardy Spence. With Ash Injection Molding, we make plastic molded parts.
That was another great video by one of our part gurus, America's greatest contract manufacturers. You could support us.
You hit the like button, give a comment, we'll make more of these because we're here to help American manufacturing get stronger. Help us out.
By smashing that like button, hitting subscribe, sharing the video, or leaving a comment. This allows us to travel the country and make more of these great videos of America's best contract manufacturers. Thanks for watching.